a smile. Today's adventure will be worthwhile. She grabs her hat, she grabs her pan. I'll make a volcano, yes I can. Popcorn kernels dance in the bowl. Butter lava ready, that's the goal. Mix it, stir it, swirl it around. A poppin' mountain will soon be found. Careful, careful, giggles, Lou. Don't spill the lava on your shoe. Pea Pea laughs and claps her hands. The buttery mountain grows so grand. Pop, pop, pop goes the popcorn high up to the clouds. It touches the sky. Timmy joins with a tiny hat. Can I make a volcano like that? Lou grabs the sprinkles, rainbow and sweet. Volcano desserts are a special treat. Pea Pea sprinkles them on the top and giggles as the popcorn pops non-stop. Benny the bunny hops in the room. Did someone make a buttery boom? Yes, they cheer, it's ready to eat. A volcano of popcorn is a yummy treat. But oh no, a kernel flies away. It lands on the cat who runs to play. Giggles and laughter fill the air. At the true is everywhere. Next comes a story of flying shoes. Timmy wears them while he sings the blues. Up he lows and spins around. Lands in a puddle without a sound. Pea Pea giggles and waves her hand. Stories and magic are always so grand. Lou brings out a box of bright balloons. They float to the ceiling, reaching the moon. Benny the bunny builds a tiny boat with jelly beans and a marshmallow float. They sail on a sea of lemonade blue. Adventure is better when shared with you. A dragon appears, not scary but sweet. He dances on tiptoes, taps his feet. Hello, says Pea Pea, do you want to play? Yes, says the dragon, let's laugh all day. Butter lava pops once again. The popcorn mountain grows, it's a friend. Sprinkles rain like sparkling snow. Let's share this treat before we go. Pea Pea waves to her friends at night. The stars twinkle soft, the moon glows bright. Dreams of popcorn mountains fill their heads, and stories of laughter float in their beds. Morning comes and the fun's not done. Let's make another, shouts everyone. Benny brings carrots, Lou brings jam. Timmy waves, is mad to fun. Stories and githers, songs and cheer. Butter lava volcanoes always appear. They mix, they stir, they pop, they play. Every adventure makes a magical day. A castle made of candy towers so high. Pea Pea climbs to touch the sky. Balloons lift her, then down she glides. Squeals of joy as she slides and slides. A pirate ship sails on chocolate milk. Benny the bunny is captain, smooth as silk. Lou waves a flag, Timmy shouts. Adventure is what it's all about. A jungle appears with friendly vines. Swinging and climbing is so divine. Monkeys laugh and join the fun, dancing together in the sun. A rainbow bridge leads to a cave where sparkly stones make a glittery way. Pea Pea collects a shiny stone. It'll remind me of the fun we've known. Back in the kitchen, popcorn pops once more. Butter lava oozes to the floor. Sprinkles twinkle in a rainbow shower. Every day brings a magic hour. They play hide and seek with teddy bears. Run through puddles and silly stairs. Stories spin and adventures grow. Butter lava makes the popcorn glow. A magic hat flies through the air. Pea Pea catches it with flair. Let's make a garden of jelly bean trees, swaying softly in the breeze. Benny hops through a marshmallow field. Lou laughs at how the chocolate melts and yields. Timmy draws stars up in the sky. Pea Pea waves, let's all fly high. A rainbow slide appears so tall. Sliding down together they laugh and call. Popcorn kernels bounce all around. a tune. Good night, whispers Pea Pea. Tomorrow brings more stories for you and me. Pea Pea awakes and stretches wide. Our friends are ready for another ride. Lou brings a kite, then he brings a hat. Timmy bounces a ball, imagine that. The kite flies high above the trees, dancing and twirling in the breeze. Pea Pea laughs, let's make it spin. Up it goes with a joyful grin. Then he builds a sandcastle so tall, with jelly bean flags that never fall. Lou paints flowers all around, tiny butterflies flutter without a sound. Timmy finds a sparkling stone. Look, he shouts, it's all my own. Pea Pea claps and joins the fun. Stories and magic have just begun. A tiny frog hops on the path, croaking a silly, funny math. Ribbit 1, ribbit 2, let's hop together, me and you. Popcorn kernels bounce in the sun, butter lava pops, everyone's fun. Lou adds sprinkles, Benny adds jam, Timmy waves his little magic fan. A rainbow cloud drifts down so low, they slide right on it to and fro. Pea giggles, hold on tight, they spin and twirl with pure delight. Balloons appear bright and round, they lift the friends off the ground. Up in the air they wave hello, floating gently, soft and slow. A chocolate river flows nearby,